Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essential prerequisites. Both devices on the same Wi-Fi, Bluetooth enabled, and the same Apple ID signed in. Once done, open Control Center on your iPhone and locate Screen Mirroring or AirPlay. Tap it to reveal nearby devices. Your iPad should appear. Make sure the iPad is unlocked and on a visible screen so AirPlay can list it. This first action establishes the secure connection channel that AirPlay uses to stream the display. After selecting the iPad from the AirPlay list, you'll choose Mirror Screen to duplicate content or use as separate display when available. You do this because mirroring replicates touch and layout exactly, while separate display can extend workspace. Once connected, check rotation, orientation lock, and sound output to ensure video and audio route to the iPad. If performance lags, reduce distance between devices or close heavy apps. These tweaks improve latency and picture quality. To finish, open Control Center on the iPhone and tap Screen Mirroring, then stop mirroring. This cleanly ends the session. If the iPad does not appear, restart both devices and retry. This often clears network or AirPlay discovery glitches. Also make sure both devices run current iOS/iPadOS. Compatibility matters. If mirroring still fails, toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth off and on, then reconnect. This reset frequently resolves lingering connection issues, so you can resume casting quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.